Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 ways to whiten your teeth naturally at home. Whether you're looking to remove stains from coffee, tobacco, or just want to brighten up your smile, these natural remedies can help you achieve the results you want without the use of harsh chemicals or costly treatments. So let's get started. Here are 5 tips you can apply to whiten teeth naturally at home without spending huge money by going to the dentist. 1. Use toothpaste with baking soda. Baking soda is an effective natural toothpaste ingredient. It helps to remove plaque and whiten teeth. Baking soda is an effective natural toothpaste ingredient. It helps to remove plaque and whiten teeth. Baking soda is a chemical compound that can be used for cleaning because it has a high pH level, which makes it alkaline and able to dissolve substances like oil, grease, or other stains. The high pH also makes baking soda an effective antimicrobial agent against bacteria and fungus, making it a great natural toothpaste ingredient, as well as many other households uses like removing stains from furniture or getting rid of bad smells in the fridge. In addition, baking soda can help with morning breath because of its deodorizing properties. It neutralizes odor-causing compounds. The most common way to use baking soda for morning breath is by mixing it with water into a paste. 2. Look for toothpaste with fluoride. The toothpaste is used to clean and protect the teeth. Fluoride is a mineral that helps prevent tooth decay. There are some benefits of using fluoride toothpaste, such as it cleans and protecting teeth from cavities and other oral diseases, which can be very dangerous. Fluoride is not only good for the teeth but also for the bones because it strengthens them. It also has a positive effect on the skin because it prevents wrinkles and premature aging. Using fluoride toothpaste can help you keep your mouth clean, healthy, and fresh all day long. 3. Use an at-home teeth whitening kit. A lot of people have tooth discoloration because they drink coffee, tea, or wine, and the stains can be difficult to remove. Whitening kits are a great way to remove these stains from teeth and make them look whiter and brighter. There are many different types of whitening kits that you can buy at your local store or on Amazon. They range in price from about $10 to $150 depending on the kit and what it has in it. For example, some kits only contain a mouth tray that you put over your teeth for 10-20 minutes, while others come with little disposable cups with gel in them that you put in your mouth for 10-20 minutes, as well as a mouth tray. The cheapest whitening kit is the one with just a mouth tray, but it doesn't come with any other products like toothpaste or toothbrushes, so if you want those then you have to buy them separately too. The most expensive whitening kit comes with all. We recommend you to use the Primal Life Organics V4 Real Teeth Whitening Kit, as it's all-in-one natural solution for your teeth and it doesn't contain any harmful chemicals. For your convenience, we have given the link in the description. 4. Try an aloe vera mouthwash. Aloe vera mouthwash is a type of mouthwash that is used to heal and soothe the mouth after a tooth extraction or other oral surgery. Why aloe vera mouthwash? Aloe vera has been used for centuries as an ingredient in natural remedies. It is also known for its ability to soothe and heal the skin, which makes it perfect for use in a mouthwash. In addition, aloe vera has antibacterial properties that can help fight off bacteria in the mouth, which can be helpful after oral surgery. What are some benefits of aloe vera mouthwash? It can help with post-surgery pain relief by reducing inflammation and swelling. It can help with healing by soothing the pain and inflammation caused by oral surgery. It may help prevent infection by killing bacteria in your mouth. 5. Rinse your mouth with water in the morning and night. To keep your mouth healthy and fresh, you should rinse with water morning and night. You should start by rinsing your mouth with water first thing in the morning to get rid of food particles and bacteria that can wreak havoc on your teeth all day. You should also rinse your mouth with water at night before bed to get rid of the bacteria that have accumulated over the day.